Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Inside My Head Between Lectures podcast. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about something that really stuck with me. It goes all the way back to COVID, back when I had an actual attention span that I could talk about. That phase where I used to binge watch YouTube in the name of self-development. Did I develop? Absolutely not. But the videos did give me a nice dopamine hit without actually having to move. So that was that. And one of those videos, I came across a concept that blew my mind. It was called optimistic nihilism. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the second word correctly, but we'll just roll with it. We've all heard about optimism. That is looking at life through a gold-tinted glasses. Trying to see everything in such a very, positive way. And nihilism is usually associated with negativity, like nothing matters and life has no meaning. But when this video took both of these ideas and mixed them together and showed something, it was very beautiful. It zoomed out and it kept zooming out. It started from you, from your neighborhood, to the city, to your state, your country, to the world, to the solar system, to galaxy, until the entire universe was just this massive space where Earth itself just looked like a tiny dot. And in that zoom out, I realized we are so small. That just makes our problems even smaller. Anything we do, anything we worry about, any fear you have, it all shrinks when you look at it from that scale. And that thought stayed with me. Till today, I remember the feeling of watching that video. Not just the video itself, but the feeling it gave me. Because every day, we go through problems thinking that they're the biggest things ever. But in the grand scheme of things, they are genuinely that small. Now, you can take this concept in two ways, just like everything else in life. The pessimistic way, saying nothing matters, I'm insignificant, I have no value, life is pointless. But we're not going there today. That is not the vibe. We are alive, we are living. We're not dipping into the dark side, at least not today. The optimistic way is the way that actually changed my life. Because you're small, your actions don't shake the universe, which gives you so much free will. You have the freedom to do whatever you want. Things that fulfill your soul, you can do it. You want to start a YouTube channel, start an Instagram page, become an influencer, do something completely random that makes your soul happy, go for it. Because in this big universe, none of it is going to cause a cosmic level disaster. You're not going to break the world, you're just trying something new. And that's the most harmless thing ever. This concept is so beautiful because it removes the pressure. When you realize how tiny you are, the fear becomes tiny too. Any problem you're facing right now, imagine zooming out of it. Take that problem, imagine it as a little stone in your hand and slowly move it further and further away. The further you go, the smaller it looks. That is exactly how it is in reality. So whenever something feels huge, just remind yourself this is small and I'm allowed to move past this. Also, when I talk about this, there is another thing that blew my mind, and I think it will blow yours too. You have this very short little life, 70, maybe 80 years if you are lucky. The earth has lived for billions of years. The universe is even older. Which means our entire life is just like a tiny spark in that timeline. And because it's so small, you get to choose what you do with it. Not the world, not the society, not anybody's expectations, you. And if I sound too excited in this episode, it's just because I've always been someone who loves astronomy and space. Whenever I have a bad day, I go somewhere where I can see the sky clearly, the terrace, the road, anywhere. I look up and suddenly everything feels so manageable. The stars, the moon, they make me feel calm. It makes me feel like, okay, I can face whatever it is that is going to happen. That's why this concept made me feel so good. It gave me courage. It gave me some sort of perspective. And once you realize everything is temporary, the people, the moments, the struggles, it is so much more easier to let go. You stop clinging. You stop forcing things. You stop overthinking. Because you yourself are temporary. Why waste this short journey trying to fit into someone else's definition of meaning or success? You're not a word on the dictionary. Your life is not a word on the dictionary. It doesn't have to have a dictionary style meaning for your life. You're not a word in Oxford. You're just a human being. If a purpose finds you one day, great. If it doesn't, that's completely fine too. You don't need to have, some sort of a dramatic purpose to justify your existence. You just need to live. And this is where people get scared. What happens is, if nothing lasts, if nothing matters, then why should I even try? They think giving up is the better option. Because this life, this tiny, limited, rare experience, it was given to you. Out of every timeline the universe could have chosen, you're here, alive, in this exact moment, in this exact era. It's like being sent on a very expensive trip. Everything is already paid for. Your entry, your exit, you're already here. Would you waste the whole trip sitting in your hotel room? No, right? So don't do that with your life. If you need a meaning, let life show it to you. Let it come naturally. You don't have to force it. Don't run behind it. Do not panic if you don't have one. You are the main character of your universe. You're allowed to live with it. And once you start seeing things from this cosmic perspective, you will realize that your joy, your peace, everything feels so much more bigger, and your problems get so much more smaller. Because everything truly is just a very tiny, minuscule dot. And that is the beauty of optimistic nihilism. I really hope this episode makes your day feel a little bit less lighter. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, it's me signing off.